When I tell a tale, I believe it. Trouble is, I did the same with gambling.
I thought gambling was illegal in India.
There are ways and means. I would say to myself, this time I'll be lucky. This time I'll win big money. Become a millionaire.
What are you doing, Benji?
I gambled away my business, my home. I've nothing left.
If you can stay with me as long as you like, you know that.
I've already overstayed my welcome.
No. You made friends here. People they like your tall tales, your eccentricity. But who wants to be like
Benji,
everyone else?
what are you
I
doing?
do.
What's it, Benji?
I want my own
Hey?
home again. My own business.
You don't like the phone, do you? You don't like this, do you, Benji? Hey?
Sold everything.
I miss you.